Veesus point clouds for SolidWorks, copy and paste. Unlike another video you may have seen regarding copying parts or the entire point cloud or point clouds, this is to allow copy and paste between different documents. So where you have different windows, here I only have one, this is one. If you create a new window, so a part or an assembly, you may wish to copy this point cloud or point clouds, any slices, any clipping, and also any properties you may have done here. So that's XYZ positioning, the origin and the align function. So any of those rotations etc. will also be copied to that new document, the new window, a part or an assembly. So all you have to do is go to the options tab. There's two buttons here, copy and paste. So if I do that now, so if I just do a copy, that's done, it's instant. File, new, and I'm going to create a part in this instance. So here we go, so it's empty, nothing is there, there's no point cloud. So all you need to do is go to option, select paste, there it is, and instantly, I'm just going to select that. Here we have that point cloud. If I go to the slices, you will see there is the slice, that's the one from the last one. And if I go to clipping, there's the two clipping components that were there as well. So that's all been copied across. So very effective. So I could go to file up here, I could create another one, or I could just go to window and swap between the two. So this is the other one we have. Just to show you, has the same two clips. There they are, select those. This is shown in another video, but just showing you that. And there is the same slice. So that is the copy and paste function under the options tab.